Where's your camera, bro? Is in.
There.
Okay.
They will give me. Let's go here.
Okay. 很多格多，很多格多呀。
No. They will just directly give me double size though. The
Double bed.
Double bed.
Ah, okay. It's okay, it's okay. 大格多，大格多哎。Wow.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's so cute. 对啊，对的么子对啊。可爱差不差不没呗？哎呀，大清。Are you crossing from here?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, we could have like crossed from there, but it's okay. No car 三针。大红你转场了要怕注意的。
So it's like 1 kilometer.
Okay, nice. 您这可叫菠萝个加了这个半下午噻。我做这半没送来，前几了半没送来扛吧。扛不起来的小事情，他一个的你这辈子进这没搞到电视这，因为你可能你前边干的，等下没俺花掉了是吗？扛不啥吧，俺也一难，扛不啥吧的时候，光大几年那个过目。如果我们东如果我们但密码学过这东阿边，过大几了，扛啥吧？那年底这过目60欧是那个在这546吧48，是别解决，钱升级钱过目。
So how do you like the place?
I like it. It's like old hotel, but it's how can I say like it's chill, clean. You know, I like the vibe and
I think
everything.
it's like 4-star.
For real? Mm-hmm. 怪是那第4星级酒店这噻。现在这个家庭房你方便中方便啊方便。你这送这别的落啊这噻。哎这个嘛的。我谈的家庭房这什么的，谈的你这送着落啊去个家庭房这个你这洗的啥啦？啊么，就是嘟嘟的，多你点。对。叮，俺的脚可咋？在奥地利，俺的奥地利旅，维也纳。还可以，太古里那边好一点的，晚上要1000多是吧？这个都有点偏哟。市中心旅游嘛，大得挺。
So you guys
Yes.
paid 60?
Yeah, 60 euro.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, it's not so much.
For 3 bed.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And still we have breakfast and everything, so it's cool.
Yeah. And I told him like, because he's going to the shop and you know I asked him to grab the gummy. So I was like, you don't have to pay me, and and he's ordering the taxi and everything. So I was like, let's see, like how much it's
Well,
gonna
like he always paying my stuff when I come here because I'm trying to help him get to know people for hotel and that event. So like he's a cool guy.
Yeah, he is.
I'm always trying to separate financial things with him, but he earned money in dollar.
He earned money in dollar. Is he working?
No, like his father sending him money in dollar,
Okay.
not earn, not get money.
Yeah.
So me, it's mixed for me. So I'm getting euro and Turkish lira at the same time. But Turkish lira is like don't have
So value.
value, yeah.
Yeah.
So because of that, like even when I come to Vienna,
Yeah.
I don't spend that much.
I see.
Generally, they're just paying for me for everything.
Yeah, because it's your work.
Yeah.
叫美国哥叫我做啥？叫美国哥叫我做啥？美国哥是给打，但美国哥厉害，名多姐姐，名多了可啥？叫菠萝，叫菠萝叫我做个影啥的是呢？你们都用没？得 face to face的，等你做么多啥？当家姐俺俩是没，我就等你做么多啥？我等你出去了。家姐俺姐姐的是没，保证这面这个近距离接待我们嘞。不着，我的钱下去就俺钱。
Okay, like we will
Mala.
sit together, I guess. Okay, I'm down.
不着不是的，看出第一把了看啥人呢？
Okay, like the laptop and everything, right? Okay, thanks, bro. Okay, see. Okay, bro, I appreciate that. Thank you for your help. Bye.
就在维也纳进去吗？啊
Still, we will sleep with Pace. Like one king size, and there's just one more bed.
No. It's a separating 3 bed.
No,
It
one
is.
big. No, it's not.
What is what he said?
He told like there's just one big bed and one.
This is what he said right now.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn.
We transfer all our stuff too.
Bro, like that's crazy. But this guy, he was telling me like there's literally 3 fucking beds, like separating. What?
He want us
What?
to sleep together.
Oh my god. He wants who? Me and you?
No.
You and him?
The guy.
Oh, the guy. Okay.
guy
Yeah.
No, I will sleep with Pace.
Yes,
You will
yes.
Sleep with other bed, another bed.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy. This guy, oh my god. 只有一个大床，啥，可下米，可下的我那个，这啥，他那可来算叫看啥，叫名看啥，叫名看啥，叫名看啥，叫菠萝，叫菠萝，看完来说，那名嘛真吧，你名都看啥玩意这大，名嘛真吧，叫菠萝给看完来，这是老可。然后这那边啥看不啥不得嘞，你这不是之前那睡了，你这几么多晚了？跳嘛，婚姻那么多年，俺睡的年大的。来我家没事噻，那边的人和我们这边有什么不一样噻？
Let me roll one.
Bruh. If there's like on the way, if you found a tobacco shop, we're gonna get one like no more tobacco for.
There's no tobacco shop here, but like after Pace Off we can find.
Okay.
By the way, the place is here.
Oh.
So here is the golf club, by the way.
Oh yeah.
And can you give me the paper too?
Okay.
Kasi.
PC는
So generally, I'm always walking from that road.
this road?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Road, I like it.
Yeah. 네가 하는 데들이 사高尔夫球场的啥？네가 하는 데.那个高尔夫球，那个 Spider-Man。你们那边为什么还是白天？因为我在国外啊。但的店主呢？保险进着去对米当地见的自己贵啊，是没办我得注意。我那天给我保险今年现那年之多啊，我最酒店查的300万年，看最当天不然我那当多好皮我是那边第一看인주么几个样子讲多好皮呗，现那年之多，真多好着。
Wait, did you guys pay 60 for one night or two?
Two night.
Oh.
It's 2 night, right? Like usually?
Yeah.
Yeah. He paid. I mean, like he said.
Because
just
like normally
this.
we have time for like Saturday. Was I forgot. 2 days later. What's 2 days later? Not tomorrow. After that day.
Sunday.
Okay.
Sunday.
We have time.
No, yeah, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay. So we have time till 11 p.m. 11 a.m. Sunday.
Something, and then we're gonna get out.
Yeah.
Okay.
But still, if
I
you guys
think,
want tomorrow night, we can move on.
Bro, tomorrow night we're gonna stay there. What you talking about? Like Sunday night, right? You're talking about Sunday night.
Yeah, but like still, if you guys want tomorrow after event, you can roll. It's up to you guys. I'm down.
Okay.
Doesn't matter for me.
Okay. Do you have class like Monday morning? No.
I have, but it's online, and so it doesn't matter for me.
Okay. What about pace?
Same.
Okay. Bro, look at this. What is that? Oh, is this one? Okay. I thought it's a worm. Does it call worm?
Warm, yeah.
Yeah, the insect. 星期天8点怎么了噻？宁姐，待会儿做听力又整个段，你读的错听力又讲得下。可是呢，星期天下班去最夜吧，中间的嘛退房钱好多啊噻。俺那有那边，俺那下班去最夜吧退房钱呢，以及夜吧都是这样拉我嘛的吧，说自然性去退钱大人，几个了。眼睛不得觉得打的，可是没连年月这没搞脸呢，吃了贵没呗？打嘛老是退房钱退最累噻，给那人最中意退房嘛嘞。有个同胞在那里，联系一下，他在奥地利噻。挺住是那说嘞，挺住不来。顿住，我想顿住不来，看那看那嘞。Oh, that looks so fancy. 顿住不来，看那可把属于吧。现在变成2点之前退了噻。看干嘛说？对，你没工资呗？你没工资，别来说我做的那是。顿住不啦？是你 MMA 打用的。在米兰了过的，摇人开始摇人，小心们。呀，同桌是到我这边就给写着。到底去哪里啊？苏语不着，说不得。OK。
Let's go.
他刚才在艾特你，你一直不理他噻。我躺会儿没住，我俩待会儿没。我躺会儿没住。啊，刚刚他说了来我家噻。呗啊，特别打着嘛的，我这才，我这才，多打是迪娜嘛的呗。卡点打是迪娜嘛的呗，点打是迪娜人家他人工这点那样的，我对他的中间那点恐怕有可多来参说的。我的干么什么说对。叮。广大韩国烧烤啥做是的，就给生意主意思，就还是啥就菠萝给。他应该是四川藏族的噻，可能啥我说，可能是没缘分噻，他可能出去了，前面一直在刷屏噻啊 ，fuck， 那拖回去，大家直接去给没看见？这个，那边消费可以关注一下他，挺注重啊，明记一下，明嘛记不下去。啊，大白菜，啊，我眼睛了。眼睛了。
TikTok.
Yes. Thank you.天的是，哇，要不行了没？我的天哪了！Can I record around? Yes.
Sure. You can go inside.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. 知道哪路知道？哇，有钱了没呗？我这电视的是，当然是你弟拿路回来掉的。地图怪，差老多怪。我可 WiFi 用脚卡巴定你那个9度，可能一台的我现在钱的要么多。哎乖，对过去小对过去。WWE 嘛的 MMA， 期待一下明天得控制第5对2把定没呗 ，Bro。Uz. Nice to
Nice to
meet you.
meet you. Uz is okay.
Wait, do that.
Yeah, but you have to say it with a deep voice, like
O's. Like this? Like O's. Okay.
TikTok influencer'ı. Süper. Anlık 1500-2000 tane izleyicisi var.
Perfect.
I'm talking about your stream things.
Okay. Yeah.
Ama Çin ve Tibet.
Super.
Check the, can you check the chat?
Oh, watch it. Oh, yeah.
Aktifler bir de. Aynen. Super.
Okay.
Like this. Osman abiyle konuştum işte yarın da yayın yapacak yani salonu falan filan işte. Ben bir yere tag atacağım TikTok hesabından bir şey yapacağım yani.
Bizim de TikTok hesabımız o zaman.
Biliyorum diyeceğim işte. Konuştum Osman abi öyle yani.
Tamam. İyi düşünmüş ya. Ben adamı severim.
我可能现在没读，我的控制今年的，特定今年的得读。对，我的，但我第二是哪点嘛？口罩了。Oh, bro, this is like so crazy.
Bugün için mi? Bugün için yok. Tamam.
其他对啊，有那么大好话没读其他的，你这是累他的。Yes。对，当时车这期。对。这是好做。Yes. Shut up, this. 用贵的。
You can leave your stuff here.
Okay.
This is our
Area. Okay. I'm just gonna leave my bag here.
Yeah, you can sit here too. You can just
Okay.
Go around this
Can you leave your phone?
I will give you.
Oh, okay.
give you, but
The.
it's connected right now, right?
Yes, right now it's
Okay.
connected. Okay, let me just put it.
If there is problem, I will be on stage, so you can just
Okay. Like there?
yeah, I will
Like the stage
yeah,
there.
I wait. Come with me. I will show you everything.
But do I need to?
No, not for today. Tomorrow I will give you.
Okay, perfect. 奥地利赛事，本地赛事应该啥？饮炸，本地赛事饮炸，记不起来没？中国选手有嘛的。Hello, I'm Karma.
Metin.
Yes, Met is enough.
Matt. Nice to meet
Your
you.
name?
Karma.
Karma.
Yes.
Like Karma?
Yeah, the Karma, you know.
Oh,
Yes.
so you're the Karma.
My
No,
classmate,
really.
Yes?
like she's doing influencing on TikTok and stuff.
Nice.
So I'm gonna do the live stream and stuff.
Thanks for your work.
Thank you so much.
You good?
Yes, I'm stressed like always, but I'm good.
Daniel 过嗨，hello，没了，但我最简单的一个了解
What's inside?
Okay.
Just check the memory card.
Hi, hello，了不嘛的呗，我的钱米利亚，这乐不的钱嘛的，米康贝那来不啦？同学是工作人员嘛，日，可不咋也要上嘛啥？可不咋要嘛的，可不咋工作人员日节，但可那个的，
This I guess, right?
可那个，把这，
I can use this again. And I will stay on the stage on right side.
对。
Like last time, Philip. Where you was last time?
On the stage on the right side. And you will...
可是那点，我们老皮个多大，
And the
Pick
was
to that.
on the middle.
둥. 콘주 가로 님도 용기.现在差就几没办的，这样的。这没不是，可是拿了名的上个写那么。我来到了全世界最难圈的一个地方。 我一个很女权的人来到全世界最男权的地方，那么可是国家的第一下，这个大一圈绝对很酸爽，我呢就在第一下，醒着的下，上中第一下，应该上啥不多啊？这。当然，做生意俺有嘛对吧？第一个厂不落生意，第一个厂但是第一个厂不落坑个啥？俺生意低哪落的掉，价钱低没办法做，俺生意低哪落的，就是钱，对，哈嘿，俺生意低哪落掉的，低哪落的，俺那可是哪落不生意个嘛的，俺点不大要啦，感觉小梅猪就能捏爆我的头上，俺嘞问的嘛的，是那洗。里面贵吗？很喜欢看狗东，俺来搞不去，俺来这拿落给的，忙我那哈后面的来怎样的狗大搞不没呗？普大普怎样的他们来给不起那多。拳击赛是明天，yes， 生意光拿去出吧，谈的地里控制多大多突击自己钱是没办法控制，我的嘞 ，fight night， 我的。比赛会有脑震荡吗？啥？卡马尔女士中午好常用。卡马尔女士噻。我们老皮我那俺就长脚这架子洗脸没呗？俺就长脚这架子洗，我那对视器俺们都现在洗没呗？俺就我那饺子帮我脚，俺就啵长脚这没？我或者给你们都谢谢我呢，可以给啥？敲嘛的厂嘛给啥？看的是工作人员没学嘛的拿落的呀。对，我那对视前的现在为什么你做里面有出 IP 啊？皮个电视生意这个厂落看见过，你就是呀，厂不坑个啦。你这个韩出 IP 没着，电米最主要是都是俺讲点多，黑桌白桌是蛮这多，桌子的嘎不多，桌子的哪不多，桌子皮个嘎皮个是有没着看戏，皮个嘎不着是这些。呀，皮个车车多，你说皮个车车多。呀，赶紧嘛！不下去，这个，可花多啊，可比多啊，俺也得打死嘛，现在。呀，确实是大家下去是听到推荐。那老爷有的看穿打死哎，UFC过去切磋下俺。